Hi guys, welcome to Money Habits Lab, a new channel where we break down the psychology and the habits of real financial freedom. If you are serious about changing your life, how you think about money, subscribe and let us go into it. Imagine two people who earn the same salary. They live the same city, work the similar jobs, and face many of the same challenges. 20 years later, one has built financial security and freedom, while the other is still struggling from paycheck to paycheck. What made the difference? The answer is a rarely a lucky moment. In many cases, it comes from a habit they practice, the decision they repeated, and the way they go through about money over many years. Money is not about only mathematics, it is about psychology. Our daily financial choices are influenced by emotions such as fear, excitement, impatience, and social pressure. Many people understand what they should do with money, about understanding is not always enough. Acting consistent is the difficult part. One common challenge is the desire for immediate rewards. Saving money often means giving up something enjoyable today in exchange for large benefit in the future. That can feel difficult because our brain naturally value immediate rewards more than distant ones. Learning the delay gratification is one of the habits many financial successful people develop. Another challenge is lifestyle inflation. As income increases, spending often increases too. A new job leads a large apartment, a new phone, and a more expensive cars. While enjoying the result of hard work is reasonable, consistently increasing expenses can make it difficult to build long-term wealth. Comparison also plays a powerful role. Social media often highlights luxury vacation, expensive cars, and designer clothing. It's easy to compare ourselves with careful selected moments from other people's life. Financial decisions based on comparison rather than personal goal can create unnecessary stress and debt. Building wealth does not necessarily require a very high income. Across many countries, there are people with modest income who consistently save, avoid unnecessary debt, invest carefully, and plan for the future. Likewise, there are many high-income earners who struggle financially because their spending grows as quicker as their income. This doesn't mean everyone starts from the same position. People's opportunities are influenced by many factors, including education, health, family circumstance, economic condition, and unexpected events. These realities matter and can affect financial income. At the same time, developing good financial habits can improve the opportunities available within the person's circumstance. Financial knowledge is another important factor. Understanding concepts such as budgeting, compound interest, emergency saving, and reasonable debt helps people make informed decisions. Even a small improvement in financial knowledge can produce meaningful benefits over time. Successful financial plan also requires patience. Wealth usually grows over time of years with disciplined saving, investing, and learning new skills and avoid unnecessary risks. The goal is not perfection. The goal is steady progress. Small, thoughtful decisions repeated consistently over many years often have a great impact than dramatic change made for only a short time. If there's one lesson to remember, it is this: wealth is often built through consistent habits, informed decisions, based and continuous learning, not through shortcuts. Thank you for watching.
If you reach up to this point, please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching again.